Hey there, fellow property owners. Welcome to this quick guide on how to get a plat map of your property online in 2025. If you're dealing with land boundaries, planning renovations, or just want to understand your property better, a plat map is your go-to tool. It's basically a detailed diagram showing the exact lines, lots, and features of your land, including any easements or rights of way. In 2025, thanks to advanced digital tools, getting one online is easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by gathering your property details. You'll need your address, parcel number, or even your property's legal description. These are often found on your deed or tax bills. Once you have that, head to your local government's website. Most counties and cities in the U.S. have an online GIS, Geographic Information System, portal. For example, if you're in the U.S., check sites like your state's official land records office or popular platforms like the U.S. Census Bureau's tools, which have been updated for better accessibility in 2025. Step 1. Go to your county assessor's website or a national database like the Bureau of Land Management's site. Type in your address or parcel number into the search bar. Pro tip: make sure you're on an official government site to avoid scams. Look for the .gov domain. Once you search, you'll see a map view pop up. Zoom in, and voila, your plat map should appear. If it's not available there, don't worry. Step 2. Try state-specific resources. Many states now integrate with apps like ArcGIS or Google Earth Pro, which have partnerships for 2025 updates. These might require a free account. Download the map as a PDF or image for your records. And if you need an official certified copy, you might have to pay a small fee and request it through the site. One more thing. Always double-check the map's accuracy, as boundaries can change. If you're unsure, consult a surveyor or real estate attorney. There you have it. That's how you get your plat map online in just a few clicks. This simple process can save you time and headaches. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.